Welcome to Mariner 3S. Oscar is the name of the battery-operated pole vacuum from Mariner 3S. It is particularly suitable for cleaning smaller pools, paddling pools, pool steps, and local dirt. Thanks to its battery operation, the Oscar great freedom of movement. The telescopic rod can also be used to clean deep pools and distant corners. Thanks to the proven Mariner 3S lamella filter cartridges, the Oscar does not require a connection to a filter system. The device is extremely maneuverable and can therefore also reach nooks and corners. With attachable brushes, the Oscar also removes stubborn dirt. Also on seats and superstructures. Steps are also easy to clean. The Oscar is easy and uncomplicated to use. Practical and hygienic. Dirt is collected in the filter box during cleaning. In this way, the filter and filter box can also be conveniently cleaned. With the twister, the filter cartridges are quickly and easily cleaned again. The filter cartridges can be dried and stored in the Oscar garage. And you can also safely store the Oscar in the garage until it is next used. Thank you for your interest. You can find more information about our products on our website and our YouTube channel.